that motherfucker.
Oh,
Really?
Where is?
I don't know.
You know, I don't know. Well, fuck, you didn't get it down.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Really?
Oh,
Oh, that's a good one.
do you have empty space?
That's a good one.
Yeah, space.
Really? I want to say it's a red.
Oh shit.
You bitch.
Come on, you bastard. Oh.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Pull it.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Gotta walk around into the bank.
My goodness.
Because here the nose.
It's a big one.
God damn, what a bull red.
You got it.
I got stop.
Wow. Look at this, man.
Are you moving? Are you recording that?
Yes, I am.
Wow.
Look at that motherfucking bull red.
How do I catch that?
My goodness.
Grab the line and pull it up on the bank. Fight. Oh, shit.
I'm afraid to broke the line. I'm afraid to.
Grab it.
Wow.
You don't know, you ain't moving.
Look at this. Wow.
Okay. Hit him like I got it. Look, stick your fingers up in there.
My goodness.
Got him?
Wait. Ay!
Shit. He's your fish.
Yeah. Look, they can make my finger. Ay, he's taking my finger.
Pull your finger out.
Oh, he's taking my finger.
Wow.
Here,
Okay,
show
look.
me.
Okay, I think.
Just stand there. I got the fish.